Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So capital 8, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. So I will put the limit goal here. So we need to focus on this one. So we have the second formula in here. So 8, that is about sin x minus cosine x. B, that is about tan x. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And we have like this. Next, I will put tan x go in this way. So that should be like this. So 1 over tan x, that is about cotangx. So when x approaches to b over 2, this one we have number 1. This one we have number 0. And number 1 you got number 0. When x approaches to b over 2, cotang of b over 2, we have number 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use L hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have cosine x plus sin x over sin x minus cosine x. This one, that is about negative cosecant of x squared. And now I will put b over 2 cone here. So we calculate this one, negative number 1. So that means the value of this limit in here, that is about negative number 1. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.